Very good work this product. Good product. More washing option found. Best washing quality and delivery and installation is also satisfactory. Initially I was inclined towards LG. However, with the price tag and top-selling product, I personally viewed this washing machine in the market and suddenly I realized my affinity towards Whirlpool products. This is third washing machine from Whirlpool that my family is using. First machine is a decade old, second one has crossed 5 years and still both of them work like a charm. Hence I have my trust in Whirlpool products. They offer excellent after-sales service and their network is strong. Well, coming to this washing machine, I have been using it since a month and no issues with the machine. I know it's very early to comment this. It's easy to use and very lightweight. The vibrations are moderate even when used with heavy load. I have kept the machine in dedicated dry balcony that is far from bedrooms and living room, hence noise levels are not noticed. However, out of curiosity tried listening to the machine standing very near to it for whole wash cycle and I felt the noise level acceptable. In fact I felt both vibrations and noise level are lesser than Whirlpool Bloom Wash 368 kilograms. I have tested the wash quality of the machine with less to heavy dirty clothes and to my surprise machine washed those clothes real clean. Further, collars and sleeve ends of white shirts are also washed clean. With simplicity to use, cheaper price than peer competitors and excellent service, I recommend this product. The product was damaged a little. Amazing Amazon service delivered in 2 days and installation just in 24 hours. Washing machine is superb. Doesn't make any sound, perfect wash. I totally loved the product. Big thumbs up. Excellent. Just awesome. Great clean washing with 12 wash functions. No cons found till now. Go for it. Bought another one within 1 month. Like easy washing. Best of products. Click link in description for more reviews.